Former national player Andre Virtue and former national youth coach Andrew Edwards have not been ruled out of contention for the post of head of coaching education, according to General Secretary of the Jamaica Football Federation, Gregory Daly. Both Virtue and Edwards had made the final shortlist back in 2021 alongside Andrew Peart, who was selected for the role. With Peart now appointed the new director of football, the search is on to fill the void left at the coaching school.
And we're final listed. Would the JFF consider any one of those two primarily to fill that role?
Of course. What I am willing to say that the JFF is at liberty to consider anyone that we deem is qualified, experienced, and is the best fit for the job.
Daly says, however, that Peart will not step away fully from the coaching school despite being named director of football.
So Mr. Peart having oversight over the coaching school now, also will have some involvement in terms of the selection of this person, right? Not ultimately, yes, he's going to select the person, but yes, he'll be integral in terms of the selection.
Daly adds that the appointment of Peart is in line with the Federation's long-term goal.
In terms of selection and process, I don't think there were no favoritism as it relates to this. We are trying to chant, I don't want to say a new way forward, because not everything is new, but I want to think that we are moving into the right direction and putting the right persons in the right position to ensure that we achieve our ultimate goal.
Peart is expected to officially take office this week.